Hey, Akisa here. Guess what? My birds have been very funny lately. So I recorded them. Although there are some things that do happen in my videos that don't turn out very good. Very many mistakes. Then again, this is just a short little film for no particular reason except for my own boredom, and that nobody else in the DgmKitties really know about it. Until this is get posted. Enjoy! Hey, Akisa's World, yeah! Look, I look very tired, don't I? Yeah, it's nighttime. Anyways, this is about my birds. Them. Behind me. Pretty obvious, I know. Nah, should be about me, but then again, I'm not selfish.